Replacing your home's doors is one of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and boost security, without a full-scale renovation. For West Jordan homeowners, finding budget-friendly door replacement options means striking a balance between affordability, style, and durability. With the right choices, you can get long-lasting upgrades without breaking the bank. Why consider door replacement? Your doors are more than just entry points. They set the tone for your home's appearance and contribute to your comfort and safety. Over time, exposure to West Jordan's changing climate can cause wear, warping, or poor insulation. Replacing older or damaged doors can reduce energy costs by improving insulation and enhance security with modern locking systems, boost curb appeal for a more attractive exterior, increase your property's resale value to affordable door materials that deliver value. When shopping on a budget, choosing the right material is essential for keeping costs low while maintaining quality. Steel doors. Steel doors are among the most cost-effective options. They are durable, secure, and provide good insulation. Many come with factory-applied finishes that require minimal maintenance. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of wood but are more resistant to warping and weather damage. They offer excellent insulation and long lifespan, making them a good long-term investment. Hollow core interior doors. If you're replacing interior doors, hollow core models are the most budget-friendly. They're lightweight and easy to install, ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, or closets. Budget-saving tips for door replacement. Focus on high-impact doors first. If your budget doesn't allow for replacing all doors at once, start with the ones that affect energy efficiency and curb appeal most, like your front entry door or patio door. Explore standard sizes. Custom-sized doors can be expensive. If your existing frame is in good condition, choosing a standard size can reduce both product and installation costs. Buy during seasonal sales. Home improvement stores in West Jordan often offer discounts during spring and fall. Planning your replacement during these times can save you significantly. Consider door slab replacement. If your door frame is in great shape, you might only need to replace the slab, the actual door panel, rather than the entire unit, which can cut costs dramatically. Energy efficiency on a budget. Even with a limited budget, you can choose options that lower your monthly utility bills. Look for weather stripping. Helps seal gaps to keep drafts out. Energy Star ratings. Indicates the door meets energy efficiency standards. Insulated cores. Improves temperature control year-round. Given West Jordan's hot summers and chilly winters, an insulated door can pay for itself over time through reduced heating and cooling costs. Professional installation versus DIY. While DIY can save on labor costs, professional installation ensures proper alignment, sealing, and security. Misaligned doors can cause air leaks, security vulnerabilities, and premature wear, leading to higher costs down the road. Many West Jordan homeowners find that hiring a professional saves money over time by avoiding costly mistakes. Final thoughts. A new door doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. By selecting the right materials, timing your purchase, and focusing on high-impact replacements, you can upgrade your home affordably while still enjoying better security, comfort, and curb appeal. With West Jordan's climate, choosing energy-efficient and durable doors ensures your investment will last for years.